In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML in Unbounce. If you want to embed a widget, a form, or any third-party snippet, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to get it live on your landing page. Start by opening the landing page you want to edit in Unbounce's classic builder. Once your page loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the Widgets or Object panel, you'll see an option labeled Custom HTML. Click and drag that widget onto your page and drop it exactly where you want the HTML content to appear. Placing it thoughtfully now will save you time when you adjust the layout later. As soon as you drop the widget, a dialog box titled Embed Custom HTML Code will pop up. Paste your custom HTML, embed code, or script directly into that field. This can be anything from an iframe provided by a third-party tool to a script snippet for a small widget. As a quick best practice, make sure any URLs in your code use HTTPS, and only paste code from sources you trust. Avoid including any sensitive information in your snippet, and remember that some scripts may not render inside the builder itself, which is normal. When you're finished pasting your code, click Save Code or Done. You'll now see a placeholder box on the canvas. Use the handles around that custom HTML box to resize and move it so the content has enough space. The size of this box helps determine how the embedded content displays on your page, so give it adequate width and height. Align it with your other elements to keep your layout clean and balanced. Next, save your work and then publish or republish your page. This step is important because custom HTML blocks often don't fully display inside the builder. They will render correctly in the final published version or when you use preview mode. If you don't see your widget in the editor, don't worry. Click Preview to confirm it's working, or open the live URL after publishing to double-check. If something looks off, return to the builder, adjust the custom HTML box size or position, save, and republish. That's it. By dragging in the custom HTML widget, pasting your code, confirming it with save code, resizing the container, and publishing, you can reliably add custom functionality to your Unbounce page. Test in preview or on the live page to make sure it behaves as expected across devices, and you'll be good to go.